Hey everyone, happy Thanksgiving. Let's just jump right in. So, as I said, I was going to show you guys how I made the delicious butternut squash soup. And it's so simple. So, I'm going to start with 2.5 cups of water. And it's so easy. If you follow directions and put the ingredients as per listed in the instructions, it's so easy. So, I added some brown sugar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of cinnamon, and some ground ginger, and I'm going to add my butternut squash. I believe it's about 2.5 to 3 cups worth. You just got to chunk it up and throw it on in there. And next I'm going to add 2 medium carrots cut up, some onion chopped, a half a medium onion, some garlic, and last but not least, about a half a cup of dried apples. And pretty much that's about it. I'm going to put the cover on and put it on top of my blender, the cooking blender, which I have to tell you is amazing. Unlike the Vitamix that only cooks with friction, this cooks by temperature. So I'm going to set it to the soup setting and I'm going to hit start, and it's going to blend it for a second, and then it just keeps doing it. As it heats up, it blends more and so forth, and eventually it starts to boil. Heats up to 220 degrees, and in less than a half hour, we have some beautiful, delicious, creamy soup. So yeah, guys, as long as you follow directions, you can't go wrong. So we're back, and it's still blending here. It's almost done, but I wanted to show you guys. If you look really close, I'm going to zoom the camera in. You could see not only is it all mixed and cooking, it's boiling. So like I said, the temperature in this goes up to 220 degrees. Amazing. Okay, guys, so here is the finished product. We have one little tiny step left, and that is to add the heavy cream. The recipe calls for a half a cup, so I goofed a little bit and put a cup, but it was still delicious. Once I add the heavy cream, I put the top back on, and I put the blender back on the base, and I just shush it around for maybe 7-8 seconds, and it comes out delicious. When I tell you that this is restaurant quality, amazing butternut squash soup, I kid you not. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you're interested in this product, hit me up on Messenger and let's get you one. Have a good day. Enjoy.